What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TuPhones for free, back again with another informative video. I just had a conversation recently, in the past few days or so, with a subscriber of mine. We were talking about all the cool stuff Samsung's doing with their upgrades and features and functionalities, different type of options and settings for your phones, your tablets, even smartwatches, even and things like that. And we were talking about the secure Wi-Fi feature that they have built in to all the Galaxy devices, including their tablets and smartphones. And like if you're in Android 12 and above, you can get up to 1 gigabyte of secure Wi-Fi, meaning like the speeds and protection, data download, upload, things in that sort like that. You can get 1 gig of usage. That's not per month. Well, it depends on how you look at it like that. But it used to be like 250 megs, and I think that was with folks on Android 11 or under. But that was a big improvement. And then we were just thinking, since they're coming out with the whole cloud backup, unlimited, per 30 days, you got cloud backup. I think they should do that too with secure Wi-Fi. They should bring unlimited secure Wi-Fi per 30 days. I mean, because let's say everybody don't, be on public Wi-Fi all the time. Like, what if you do have, fully unlimited data on your phone or tablet, from your various of carriers like Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and everywhere you go, you got great coverage. Everywhere you go, you have great coverage, and you're still able to download, upload, stream, play games, video chat, calls, all that, and it doesn't budge. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't really, make a big difference, But if you do have to use like maybe your local library, your bookstore Wi-Fi, even a mall's Wi-Fi, even Walmart's Wi-Fi, things sort of like that. They should at least allow you to do, depending on how long you're going to be, in those particular areas and buildings, they should give you, a little bit more than 1 gig, because you could possibly use up that 1 gigabyte of secure Wi-Fi in one setting. It's possible. It really is. I agree. So, I think they should bring that with One UI 6.0 updates. I'm not saying they should do that right now, but hear me out, Samsung. You know what I'm saying? Hear your boy TuPhones out with this option, with this idea, this concept. But this is how you use it, though. So, secure Wi-Fi protects your data from cyber attacks, providing an environment where Galaxy users can use Wi-Fi networking with confidence. Learn how to use it and keep your phone secure when browsing the web. Your phone's secure Wi-Fi feature lets you browse the internet safely, even when you're using unsecure public Wi-Fi networks. It offers protection by encrypting internet traffic and blocking trafficking apps. Secure Wi-Fi provides a certain amount of protection free of charge every month to help protect your activity. Android 12 and higher gives you 1,024 megabytes, and Android 11 lower gives you 250 megabytes. In addition, we provide various and practical functions according to your needs as follows. Okay, so how to enable secure Wi-Fi. Go to settings, go to biometrics, settings, Wi-Fi, check and set your protection status. So you can activate secure Wi-Fi and tap on the protect button. The secure Wi-Fi icon is activated and the network changes to a protected state. Auto protect Wi-Fi. Secure Wi-Fi provides an auto protect Wi-Fi when devices connect to public or unreliable Wi-Fi. This feature is practically useful when you use Wi-Fi public places such as cafes, hotels, and airports. Adaptive protection. They got public Wi-Fi protection only, DNS protection only. trusted Wi-Fi networks. You can disable auto protect Wi-Fi when connecting to a specific Wi-Fi network. Secure Wi-Fi effectively manages registered Wi-Fi networks through their names and locations. This feature is particularly useful when you connect to a trusted Wi-Fi network, such as home Wi-Fi and certified Wi-Fi provided by telecommunication providers like AT&T and T-Mobile. Okay. Protection activities. Secure Wi-Fi can show you protective activities and charts and lists, and based on names of previous used Wi-Fi networks. This feature is helpful when you want to check records for networks protected through secure Wi-Fi in the past. Protected apps. Secure Wi-Fi can also be applied per app. You can selectively turn on and off secure Wi-Fi activities through specific switches in the protected app. This feature is useful when encryption prevents smooth data communication on a certain app, and when it is unnecessary to adjust the secure Wi-Fi settings for each app. HTTPS and secure Wi-Fi security settings are flexibly changed according to the web protocols. All right, so yeah, guys, that's how that works. Secure Wi-Fi, Samsung, things in that sort. So yeah, y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Since Samsung's doing unlimited every 30 days with the Samsung Cloud data backup. I think they could do unlimited every 30 days with secure Wi-Fi backup or secure Wi-Fi, encryption or connectivity, as far as going to public places with open Wi-Fi and things of that sort. Like, I think that'll be hard though. Like, don't get me wrong. I think that'll be hard for the simple fact you'll have to like put in what's public open Wi-Fi versus what's trusted Wi-Fi. So that's probably where the dilemma might come in play when it comes to this. But I mean, for me, a gig, secure Wi-Fi data, to me, it's enough because, like I said, I got T-Mobile, I got Verizon. They both work great out here in my area. Matter of fact, I'm gonna drop another T-Mobile video about using a mobile hotspot. That's what I'm using right now with the T-Mobile Network Pass. And I think I'm down to my last couple of weeks or so, something like that. So that'll be my last, thoughts and full update. And I'm going to do a speed test to show you the speeds I'm getting. And it's based on where I'm located at right now. Okay, so when I do that, it's only because of my speeds in that area. And then not only that, I'm still using it on an S20 5G. For some reason, I couldn't get it connected to the S23 Ultra. It's kind of weird that I can't when all the other SIM cards and eSIMs work, like Google Fi, Free Up Mobile. Them not like, Verizon, but it is what it is. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below.